the shelf. He's back again. But this time he has one of those little squishy things from Ryan's World. A Bubble Pow Mo to be exact. This looks awesome. Whoa! Did you see that? Woo. Well, he wrote us a note. Let's see what it says. Can you cut it open, Zart? Oh boy, he really loves cutting things open, doesn't he? What do you think? Should we cut it open? I don't know what's gonna come out. Okay, well, here goes nothing. Whoa! Whoa! No! Oh boy! Oh boy! I did not expect this to happen. They're all over my kitchen. Look, they're all on the floor. They're all here. Woo! Well, I guess that's what's inside. There's still more in there. And look at his eye, the inside of his eyeballs. Whoa, that is so crazy. Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Sporella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.